Playing for 400. So today we're gonna learn how to wrap, and we're gonna learn how to wrap by practicing on the Firm 400 Miata. So we are here at the Walmart, guys. We need to get a heat gun. So let's go get that heat gun before we start wrapping. Hardware section. Cool. So here's the heat gun. This cool Wagner Inferno 300 heat gun. And use this to learn how to wrap. Get it at Walmart. So we just left Walmart. We picked up a heat gun. And we just got sponsored wrap material to practice on. The body lines of the Miata looks very, very simple and easy to wrap. For starters, we're gonna practice wrapping the hood of the car. Stay tuned for an upcoming video and make sure you guys subscribe to our YouTube channel. So the hood's a little bit dirty, guys, so I'm gonna use 360 Products waterless wash to clean it. So let's start cleaning. So we're gonna wrap the Miata hood with this mint color, mint green.